What is going on, guys? I've bought the most insane, crazy little bike from AliExpress. And today we're going to be sticking a 3000 watt motor on it. This has just arrived. The box is absolutely battered. As you can see, it's definitely come from China. Literally doesn't weigh a thing. The lightest bike ever. Does that look like the wheel that should be on a 3000 watt e-bike? That's probably going to do about 60 miles an hour. I don't think so either. Yeah, what an unusual, quirky looking bike. Is that actually adult size? It's pretty mad looking, isn't it? Oh, it's got a kick. Even got a kickstand. This has probably got to be the sketchiest e-bike I've probably built on the channel to date. What I'm planning on doing with this. We need to get the handlebars on, don't we? I do not want this thing to do 60 miles an hour. I really don't. That is right in Cantonese. That was a lucky guess. It might be Mandarin. Oh, everything just feels so bad quality. Let me get a pedal spanner, at least make sure things are tight. Where's all my pedal spanners gone? They were all hanging up. I feel like if I do this spanner too hard, something's going to snap. Oh dear. Front wheel isn't even done up hand tight. Oh God. Move. Might crash. Move. Whoa. Got no brakes. Guys, last chance to get your entries in for this amazing 4000 watt 72 volt beast of an e-bike. I'm giving this away on raffle.com. Link in the video description and up on the screen. This is an absolutely sick e-bike. It's only £2 an entry. Ending really soon, so don't hang about. It's your last chance to enter. Less than 400 entries at the time of making this video. One of you guys is going to be absolutely over the moon with this. I can't wait to meet one of my lucky subscribers, because the look on their face, if I won this for £2, I'd be happy too. Without any further ado, back onto the video, let's go. Right, so this bike today, I'm using a 2000 watt Andy Kirby kit. I'm using just the hub motor from an old bike that I built and only used once or twice. So we're doing a 52 volt 2000 watt hub wheel up to a 60 volt 3000 watt upgrade using all KIRBEBIKE parts. We've got the 60 volt KIRBEBIKE 20 amp hour battery and a 50 amp controller, sine wave controller, all of that stuff. KIRBEBIKE, just want to say a shout out to KIRBEBIKE because they've sent me all the kit for this to do for the video. They've also sent some really cool parts. I've got some upgrade parts. This is KIRBEBIKE are going to be selling these Pro Taper grip and Suron throttle upgrades. That looks absolutely sick. Proper quality bit of kit. And KIRBEBIKE have currently got a summer sale on, £70 off, so check out the link in the video description for that. I've been spending my own money on other bits as well. We've got some chunkier Eastern BMX 100 PSI heavy duty tyres. We've got a floating rotor gold 203 brake disc upgrade, gold post mount adapter. We've got some really cool blingy parts. There's no way in the world I'm riding a 50-60 mile an hour bike with them little handlebars. It's just so unstable. I want to feel planted, so these crappy 25.4mm children's handlebars in the bin, and we're replacing them with some 31.8mm mountain bike handlebars, but these are actually carbon fibre. They weigh literally nothing. I think the cardboard on the back weighs more than the handlebars. So that is going to be a sick upgrade with the Suron throttle, Pro Taper grips, blingy brakes. This is going to be one badass little bike. So I think that covers everything. Most of the parts. Got loads of little blingy bits like oil slick, extended brake bolts and Other little odd sods, without any further ado, cue the music, let's get a few of these parts fitted and see where we're at with this mental little e-bike build. Let's go.
The place is loud, but yeah, you cut through the noise. I wish I knew what you were thinking of. One last drink before it's time to go home. I had my chance, but I screwed it up once more. It's been years and it still kills me. Your dynamite so fucking pretty. Hold on, darling, don't let me down. Hope that you feel it too, just give me a sign.
Right guys, this little mini Hyperbeast bike is almost complete now. There is a major issue which I'll come to in a sec if you just wait a moment, but what we've done is we have stuck a 203 floating gold rotor up the front, done a 160 to 180mm rotor upgrade on the back, obviously everything you know, the carbon bars, the pro taper grips. This is looking absolutely insane. I absolutely love it. What a beast. So it's getting to the stage where it's nearly done, and like I said, we have got major issues, like dangerous ones. As if this bike wasn't dangerous enough, it gets worse. Right, can anyone see what the issue is? Basically, the freewheel isn't freewheeling, or whatever you would call it. Can you imagine them? That's probably 10 mile an hour. Can you imagine the pedals doing that at 60 miles an hour? I bought a cheap freewheel from Amazon, and it's meant to be a right hand side one, and it is a right hand side. It's got an R stamped on it, but there's some kind of, it's either been put together the wrong way round. I've never had this before, but the freewheel goes the wrong direction, so it's freewheeling but in the direction that should be pedalling, and then it wants to pedal anti-clockwise. I thought maybe the hub wheel was on the wrong way round. That's not possible because it's a standard right hand drive, left hand drive brake. The bike goes in the right direction. So yeah, cheap dodgy Amazon freewheel has caused me no end of issues. I've also put 2 torque arms on the back, so I'm going to have to take all of this off just to do that. Or am I? Because where we're going, we don't need chains, we just need safety sliders. Sorted. Right guys, the bike is finished. Well, to be honest, it's not quite finished. There's loads of sketchy bits that need sorting on it. We've got no chain, we've got one brake, but it's all good. It's good enough to give this thing a test. I think we should christen the bike by removing the screen protector. And look at that. The numbers are the same colour as the bike. Had that custom made. It's just a coincidence. It just happens to be exactly the same colour as this bike. Right, we're going to try it in power mode level 2. That's in level mode 2. Let's try level mode 3. Whoa! Wow! This thing's a little rocket. And that's only in level 3. You've got another, whoa! Got another 3 modes to go. Another 2 modes to go, sorry. Whoa! Whoa! Can you believe that's only in level mode 3? Let's just go to 5. Yeah, no. This is why I knew this bike was a bad idea. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! You should never do this at home and put this much power through an AliExpress bike. Whoa! This is what I have to do if I see the police. If you see a police car pedal, you'll be fine. She wasn't impressed. Whoa! 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 Front wheels popping. What a little beast. Whoa! That's actually too much fun. Don't even have to pull the brake. Whoa! Pucker, isn't it? It's so smooth and quiet, you literally can't even hear the motor. Actually really cool. Right, this is a 60 volt kit, gonna double tap the M button, go down to advanced settings for geniuses. 18, oh, I might be wrong. Yeah, here we go. Right, power system 48 volts, it is not that. It is most definitely 60 volt. Wheel size is definitely not 26 inch.
Toys, mate, honestly.
This ain't a toy. This is definitely no toy. It was a toy. Ain't a toy now. It's a weapon.
Love that, mate.
Right, I think that's it. How do I get out of this menu? Double tap. Let me try the speed quickly. I should be able to tell if it's accurate now, or at least somewhat accurate. We're just going to do a quick test on maybe level 1, 2, maybe 3, just get an idea. So there's 5 levels on this bike. Level 1 will do a whopping 9 miles per hour. That sounds about accurate. Level mode 2, definitely a bit quicker. 16, 17, 18. I don't know if we've got enough room to get max speed on level 3. On the power, straight up past 20, 22, 23. Level 4 on the power, 27 miles an hour, 28. Level 5, I don't think I'm going to have the room to get this thing down on full power safely down here. 30, 40, yeah, run out of room. I don't fancy hitting that bend at 50 miles an hour, so I think that was pretty accurate, to be fair. That looked like 20 miles an hour and whatever I said. I say we take this out to a bigger road and see whether this thing can hit at least 50 miles an hour. I don't know. It's interesting because it's a hub motor and it's the smallest size, and I'm pretty sure that gives you more acceleration but less top speed, which is probably why it's popping wheelies everywhere, but let's find out. Quick brake check, we have none. Try adjusting these crappy brakes a little bit. God, I hope something don't fall off of this. I hope this does at least 50 miles an hour, because like with a smaller wheel on a hub motor, it might just accelerate more. Be sick if this thing does at least 50. I don't think we could call it a hyperbike unless it does at least 50 miles an hour. Ooh, 5 litre V8, that sounds nice. Go in. Here we go. Wow, straight up to 25, 30, 35. Keeping the power level at 41. Get around this bend. 45. That's surprising. So conclusion of this, a 20-inch wheel just accelerates a lot more brutal, hence all the rolling burnouts, wheelies. Uphill test, whoa, front wheels going light. So this kit would normally do 55-ish miles an hour. between 50 and 60 miles an hour on a 27 or 29 inch mountain bike. We're going uphill at 35 miles an hour. Absolutely insane. Let's race these guys. See if we can catch them up. This is a normal electric mountain bike going down the hill. And this is the difference with the Dude Stuff Mini Hyperbike. Here we go. Whoa, coming off the power, getting a bit of a wobble on. Whoa. It's so quiet, isn't it? It's not dramatic. It's like the most silent hub motor ever. What an absolute beast. Right, I think that's about it for this video today, guys. I think this is just, yeah, let me know what you think. It's one of my favourite e-bikes I've ever built. It's so small and chuckable. The big wide carbon fibre bars make you feel a lot more planted. It's just great for just chucking around. A little bit surprised that the 20-inch wheel only does 45 miles an hour, but saying only 45 on a bike this size, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Right, don't forget to check out KIRBEBIKE. They've currently got their summer sale on, link in the video description. Do not miss out on the 72 volt raffle, which is ending soon. It's literally your last chance to get entries in for the 72 volt raffle. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.